For my project, I chose to investigate U.S. fruit and vegetable availability. We've heard time and time again the importance of eating fruits and vegetables, but how can someone be expected to eat them when they aren't available? The goals of this project were to build a predictive model of total fruit and vegetable availability, as well as to create an interactive app to visualize and explore trends. Availability data is provided by the USDA, and additional data sources include the CDC, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, and the Gapminder Foundation. In fitting a linear model, I noticed that the trend of availability over time was not linear and that many predictors were correlated, so I had to proceed with caution. In the full model, I obtained an R-squared of 0.916, which is quite impressive, but may be due to overfitting on the small sample of only roughly 40 observations. The next part of my project involved creating a Shiny app as a visualization tool. Here is one example, but we will show the full capabilities of the app shortly.
When we observe the availability trends over time for specific products, we can find some interesting things, such as a large increase in avocados in recent years, as well as a noticeable decrease among peaches, oranges, and pears. Also notice that the points on each scatter plot are actually emojis of the product we have selected. The second tab of the Shiny app allows us to look at the correlation between any two variables in our dataset, as well as the time series trends for each of the two variables we have selected.
In conclusion, I found that trends are quite unique for different products. Further, some surprising results came from observing correlation, notably that there is a very weak relationship between average annual farm income and total availability. The interactive tool can be used to investigate patterns in the data and inform future investigations into agricultural and consumption trends.